Worldcoin to Binance transfer. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to do it. First of all, after you open up your Binance app, go to assets. After you come to assets, go to deposit. Now tap on this search and search for WLD. WLD, that's Worldcoin. So now here is it, select this one. After you select this one, now select the network Worldcoin. Tap on this OK button and tap on this copy to copy the address. After you copy the address of the Worldcoin, now close the Binance app and go back to your Worldcoin app. After you open the Worldcoin app like this, now go to wallets. After you come to this wallet, now tap on this three dot beside the send button. And in this option, now tap on this withdraw button. So from this option now, if you have any amount of Worldcoin, you'll be able now to tap on the Worldcoin like this. Because now I don't have any Worldcoin, that's why it doesn't give me the option of the Worldcoin. If you have the Worldcoin, you'll be able to find the Worldcoin in this option. After you select the Worldcoin, it will ask you to paste in the address and specify the amount. And from there, you can tap on the withdraw button. The Worldcoin will be sent into your Binance account. And that's it, guys.